I'm wondering, the day the dress was bought, she tried it. She came to me. I saw it. I said, this is nice. Go ahead, pay for it. Because I saw it. Ha! A week later, now there is a function. She puts it on. She's coming back again with the same dress. So if she tries 3 dresses, the 3 comments are supposed to be different. You can't say nice, nice, nice. Then she comes with nice, nice, nice. No. You know, your vocabulary has to be deep. So
before we even came in here, I told them that you came. And I said, hey, this little wing on your outfit.
Once she's dressed well, she always dresses well, and she wants me to see. Yeah, she wants me to see. How do you see this? I think it's a hunger in... I don't know if you have that. It's true, eh? So you can't help me in that. I don't know if you have that problem. They always want you to see and comment. I'm wondering, the day the dress was bought, she tried it. She came to me. I saw it. I said, this is nice. Go ahead, pay for it. Because I saw it. Ha! A week later, now there is a function. She puts it on. She's coming back again with the same dress. This one, I know, ladies, you won't fast this one. We'll have to help you fast it, but you won't volunteer to fast this one. There is a hunger in us. Yes, you saw it yesterday. You loved me yesterday. But I want to find out. How about today? So if she tries 3 dresses, the 3 comments are supposed to be different. You can't say nice, nice, nice. Then she comes with nice, nice, nice. No. You know, your vocabulary has to be deep. It's hunger in them. People want to be accepted. Yeah, hey. But once you start fasting it, and you do your thing, nongozonzwa muruma
You just hear the husband say,
angokuti dzvi. Hey.
just laying hold on you and you say,
Apa una kubvunza nditi?
but at this time you hadn't asked.
Ay.
But you just said, hey.
Hauna kusikumbira zvakungouya.
You didn't ask for it, it's just coming.
Izvozvo zvine chiremerera.
That alone is a certain kind of
Unozvinzwa
weight.
kuti handina kubvunza munhu.
You feel that I didn't ask.
Noti ukabvunza munhu achati kudii?
Because when you ask a person, what can they say?
Uri kutoneka ere akakudhara, utoratidza kuti zvakatonaka kare pamberi pangu, saka ndokuti kudii?
So what can you say?
But pavanenge vasina kubvunza, ipapa ndatombovaudza sati apinda muno.
So before we even came in here, I told them
Nekuti vamukira kuya kunoka vene meeting yanga inayo, saka ndaombovaona kuseni.
that you came.
Patangosangana pandakati, kabapiro aka, kabapiro.
And I said, hey, this little wing on your outfit.
But azviitike every time hafanira kuzojairira izvozvo.
But it doesn't
Kana
happen every
zvangouya
time, and you should
zvauya.
get used to that. It happens and it's fast.
It's in them vanhu ivava.
These people.
Isusu pataifunga kunoroora tanga tisingazviziva kuti ndo zvavari. Unotozviziva wadi?
When we were considering marrying, we didn't know that that's how they
Then you
are.
will have to also fast mathoughts ako iwe wagara uinawo iwewe.
The thoughts that you yourself,
Uchitotsanya uchitoziva kuti
you fast knowing
izvi hazviitwe izvi.
that you don't do
Izvi
this.
zvinoitwa izvi.
You can't do this.
Izvi uri kuzviita nokuti zvakanakira ani? Zvakanakira iwe kana zvakanakira iye?
What you're doing now, is it good for
Kana
you? Or
uchingozviita
good
nokuti
for her?
zvakanakira iwe,
Because if you're doing it only because it's good for you,
une problem.
you have a problem.
Une problem.
You have a problem.
What gives them joy? If you can provide that, provide it. Provide it. No way.
What do you lose?
Kakunyaririra.
The ladies are clapping.
Ndo zvakaipira.
Shy.
Ndo zvakaipira kugara padhuze nababa.
That's the problem with sitting close to your husband.
Sometimes as men, what we see is a bigger picture. Tuona a bigger picture.
We see the bigger picture.
Hatisi kuona zvinhu zvidiki diki.
We're not seeing these smaller things.
Vanhu vanosiyana pakuona. Ndine mumwe pastor akambondidhiraivhawo ndisati ndane mumwe anogona.
Before I had this very capable
I-
pastor driving me, someone else drove me.
Munhu iyeye haana changa asingatsiki.
Now that person had nothing on which they were not prepared to run over.
Muziva mabhaudha aya anenge akadonha murodha yaya.
If you see those bolts that
Anobaya
are falling
mataya.
on the road, those ones they can
Aitsi.
pierce tires. He would run those over.
Tikabuda kuenda kana kumafamu kana uchii.
If we're going out to farms or wherever,
Haana ndove yemombe yainzvenga.
there's no puddle of cow dung that he was prepared to try to avoid.
Musoro make ari kuti
Now in his head he's saying,
handingariske upenyu hweprincipal nochinzvenga chi.
I can't risk the principal's life trying to avoid some cow dung.
But hey, hausi kuinzwa here.
Aren't you feeling that?
Then I realized kuti he had a problem. All he was focusing on is a big picture. He would not see little things. Bigger picture zirodi what
This road where we're going, that's all.
tudiki kuti wangasina
These
basa nato.
smaller things, he didn't care about those.
But tudiki to not destroy my relationships.
But it's those small things that destroy.
Ari
relationships.
kupiko zvinezvi.
Where is he now?
Arasikirwa nemukana.
He's lost an opportunity.
Bigger picture achinayo ikoko.
He still has the bigger picture wherever he is.
But tunhu tudiki.
But these small things.
Vanhu vanonzwa kuti vari kunetsana mudzimba, vari kurwisana, vari kudii, vari
People that you hear that are
kudii.
troubling each other in
Havambofa
households,
vakakuudza chaiko.
they will not tell you the
Because
exact
kadiki.
thing because it's small.
Kadiki.
It's so little.
And yet they fight over that every day. Why? This one is demanding for it. Give it to me. Hakuna kamudzidzisa kuti you can fast that.
No one taught them that you can fast that.
We have got a family that respects us. But hatina vana vanouya kuzoswogwesha pamberi pababa every morning.
But we don't have kids who come and are expected to kneel before their
We
father.
have got
every
our
morning.
own context of respect in our house. Yeah. But certain men, they desire for that. Yeah. I'm helping you, man. Please, don't keep that desire. Even when people are giving it to you, sometimes learn to walk away from it.